Oh, that's beautiful.
That's it.
Yeah, let's see.
How are you?
Okay.
This is Sydney. This is Roger's daughter.
Nice.
You met Sydney, didn't you? No,
not
this
me.
is
I don't think they ever hear that.
Spencer, huh?
Tom.
This is Sydney.
Hi, Sydney.
And Bill Hall.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
No.
Have money for
Do
food.
you have a camera, Joe?
I can't find it. I
Bill,
swear.
are you videoing?
This is video.
Oh.
We got video.
We're gonna have an
Yeah.
Iron Chef video.
We have an Iron Chef video.
Yes, because I don't know where the camera is. Sorry.
This is the
Whatever.
What is their name for it?
Making better than Schwartz balls.
Schwartz balls.
The Schwartz is loin.
You have to do that.
Loin.
Take a bite.
Okay. We'll put this as a.
Look at her.
What? Oh yeah, I'm looking at doing the soup. So what's in the soup, Tom?
It's
It's funny because she sent me an email saying how much you enjoyed it and you were making Roger's lunches all
Oh,
night.
yeah,
Okay.
It's gonna be topped with sour cream, honey, and almonds.
Ooh, that's good. Good.
Well, yeah, I got to see the whole
But then
description
I make,
again.
Yeah, I will.
you open it flat and it's a whole griddle.
This is
Is this the
That's
panini
cool.
maker?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Panini maker.
So, the soup is a
We're barely registering on the
soup.
thermometer.
Okay.
So.
and it's
Got some
got
time.
cloves.
Oh, I got the picture. Okay, we're good.
Our camera down here. I don't know where it's at.
Over here.
And
top
it's
of the-
topped with honey, sour cream, and almonds.
Where's my
It's actually
bamboo
Okay.
glass?
You get the slippers there.
Yeah.
It looks a lot like that
Other soup. So we put pesto on
Okay,
it.
we get Robin's feet, stocking feet too. We'll get
What kind
everybody's.
of wine is it?
Oh,
okay, we
my
got
feet,
our
'cause I'm
Jody's-
cold.
Jody's socks. Okay.
Yes, my Christmas socks.
Tom's socks. Okay. And Roger's got his shoes on, so we can't see
You do,
his
actually.
socks. We were trying to do Kim's little slippy
I don't have
there.
it.
There we
I
go.
have it.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right.
I
Now,
had the
which
same one,
are
yeah. They bought it for me.
which are you? Okay. All right.
Oh, bamboo.
And I'm the band-aid.
Pretty bamboo.
I'm the band-aid. There we go. And then, okay, I didn't was actually recording. Tom's a whole on nothing.
I'm big black.
Black. Oh, we need. It's good. Yeah, there. See, it's up against your black sweater. You can't see.
Oh,
Oh, that's
there.
beautiful. Okay. And then
Mike
I
is
gotta
little
go.
black.
Mike is okay.
Mine is dental floss.
Dental floss.
I'm twist tie.
Twist tie. Oh, and there's the
Why don't you put
little
on
black.
that
That's
story
it.
about you
Okay.
asking for
So,
portions?
yeah. Okay.
He got married out on Long Island. It was typical, you know.
Cheers.
Hi, Kathy.
We got the big boy here. Let's see. Zoom it in. Yeah. Okay. We got our soups all ready to go. This looks good. This reminds me of, was it the October one we did the pumpkin and
Yeah, we
squash?
did the pumpkin squash.
That was an apple one.
Oh, it had apple.
Mine was mine.
Okay, what are we
You
making
don't have
here?
enough
We are making some saffron
When I
chardonnay
can do it, so I'll give you the
risotto.
rest of them.
Okay, good.
No, I got it.
And what's in the oh, I'm assuming risotto
Saffron
and
and
Chardonnay. Okay.
And garlic.
And garlic and cheese and chicken stock and all that good
Yeah,
stuff.
yes.
Okay. All the good risotto stuff. Good.
I'm making
Good.
paste.
Paste. Oh, now that looks good.
Here you go.
Good paste. Okay, let's take
Looks like you're missing, Kathy.
kindergarten paste.
Did you listen to me, Gabby?
Yes. There's horseradish and sauce.
Oh, that's gonna be good. Ooh, that's good video right there.
She walked out there and
Somebody's taking over.
Yes, you can do that. It's super rich.
It's very good.
I will save it for tomorrow.
Yeah, you can save it for tomorrow. It's very chocolatey.
It's very
Not good.
Delicious.
It's like a chocolate
Save
bomb.
it for
It
tomorrow.
is. It is a chocolate bomb. That
can't
thing
eat
is
it.
just like, wow.
First place.
All right.
Three place.
There was 3 points between first and second. Or
Oh.
2.
First and third.
6 between first and second.
Oh.
Oh.
By 2 points.
I think you lost because you didn't do dessert. What I can tell.
I know the desserts with the highest scores.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the desserts brought brought everything with you. Honestly, the
Karen
desserts
will.
with the highest scores.
There you are. You are first place.
Yay!
And Bill gets a participation prize.
Oh, okay. Oh no! Oh, you don't have to do that.